It's also a larger pipeline we're building in South Carolina. Dr. Greg Little, Midlands Technical College, will be playing a critical role in that, preparing students for the foundational skills they need and a pathway for them to come through this training center and into careers with Scout.
Midlands Tech, I'm real excited about the whole technical system. They do a great job in South Carolina, probably one of the best in the country. So it's real good to have, a technical college locally here to be involved with Scout.
If it is something you want to go into, the STEM field, this is actually a good place to start, make a career out of, and also just a partnership with the Midlands Technical College where you can start in a program and have a job straight out of finishing that program is something to look forward to and something to be grateful for and something to jump onto.
One of the biggest challenges for small communities in America really is maintaining this talent. So this goes a long way to doing that.